Welcome to Sunset Key, our luxurious three-bedroom condo located within the prestigious gated community of Windsor Palms in sunny Central Florida, just minutes from Walt Disney World. As you enter the home, you'll be greeted by a spacious open-plan living area. We begin with the elegant dining area, which can seat your entire family in comfort. Beyond the dining area, you'll find the cozy family room. Catch up on the day's activities or relax in front of the large 50-inch HD TV with your favorite movie. You'll feel right at home. Free wireless internet is also provided, so be sure to bring along your laptop or wireless devices. Preparing meals is a breeze in our fully equipped self-catering kitchen. Whether you're preparing a light snack or a full family banquet, we've got you covered. The sleeping accommodations are no less luxurious, and we begin with the sumptuous master bedroom suite, which comprises a king-size bed, a 32-inch flat-screen TV with DVD player, large walk-in closet, and its very own all-suite bathroom. Next, you'll find a second master suite, this time comprised of a queen-size bed, a 32-inch flat-screen TV with DVD player, and private access to the family bathroom. Last in the lineup, you'll find the twin-bedded room, again with 32-inch flat-screen TV, DVD player, and a gaming console, ideal for the younger members of your party. For those lazy days away from the parks, you can enjoy our amazing community facilities, which are free to use for our guests. These include a huge heated salt community swimming pool held to a consistent year-round temperature, a heated spa ideal for some relaxation in the sun, a plentiful selection of sun loungers, and a fully stocked and licensed tiki bar, which serves food and specialty non-alcoholic drinks as well as beer and liquor. Inside the clubhouse, you'll find a spacious community lounge, a fully stocked sundry shop which sells newspapers, souvenirs, drinks, ice cream, and the essentials, and is open daily from 8 a.m. until 10 p.m. A large gaming area with pool tables and arcade games, ideal for the kids and the young at heart. A private 58-seat movie theater with regular showings. You can choose your own movies with several 3D movie choices, all presented in surround sound. A professional fitness center for those who like to stay in shape while on vacation. Also on the grounds, you'll find a sand volleyball court, a children's playground, lighted tennis and basketball courts, an internet cafe, and a picnic area with barbecues. Sporting equipment's available for rental, as well as bicycle rentals and a notary and fax service. Throughout the year, we hold special events that can be enjoyed by all of our guests. These include seasonal karaoke parties, an annual Super Bowl party, a Fat Tuesday party. When it's time to plan your next vacation to Florida, why not check availability at Sunset Key in Windsor Palms? We look forward to welcoming you to the Sunshine State real soon.